The Wall Street. This is the Wall Street Beat Show, Crypto and Crypto. And if you didn't know, now you know, bitches. There's Wall Street. I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto. Don't flip, yo. There's Wall Street. I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto. Don't flip, yo. Pause. I'm back. Nigga, Crypto and Crypto. We got these indicators. Don't be a hater or a hoe. I gotta let you know we're making Crypto and Crypto. Hit the like and subscribe. We're going on the run. I get excited when I buy crypto. I said I get excited when I buy crypto. You gotta keep your emotions. I said I get excited when I buy. It's time to settle the score. You don't want to trade crypto no more. If you don't understand that emotion, will take you to another place, and now you'll chase the red candle. Can't stand you. There's Wall Street. I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto. Don't flip, yo. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Wall Street Pete, Crypto in Crypto. Want to learn how to make more Crypto in Crypto? Well, hit the like and subscribe. Just the other day, talked about the buy signals. Talked about Ethereum, and this is literally going to be 30 seconds, and you're not going to watch another video recorded again, but this is important. Please watch this. And then we're going to talk about prices probably at the 1669. This is called a head, right up here, and this will be your next shoulder. Won't be happy about it, but this is what could happen. And that's it. But watch this head and shoulders pattern for the Ethereum price forming. It's very important. We're going to talk about it right now. And then we're going to get into it. There's something I think is going to happen. I think there's a huge move coming. What's going on? Snoochie Pooch in the house. And we have many viewers right now currently watching, and I do appreciate it. You hit that like and subscribe. Exactly as we said, we currently started falling. Built some support currently right here, and now this shoulder is going to start being formed, I do believe. If not, we get a Tigger bounce and then lift off, which would be the yellow. So let's pay attention to that currently right now. What is happening? Why I think Bitcoin has a huge chart here to pay attention to, and why this is an emergency video and not just a clickbait. This is very, very important. You know I don't like to fool around with those. This is the ribbon. This is a daily chart for TradingView on Bitcoin. Pay attention. This is going to be your Bitcoin cheat sheet if you pay attention to the daily. Okay, so two places. We are going to 20,000 Bitcoin. Yes, that's what I just said. Or we are going to about 28,000, and we are all going to be happy Bitcoin bulls. So we're going to find out really quick and very soon. Currently, if you pay attention, get rid of this indicator right now. There is something happening on this pattern. We are coming through. We got a nice move up from here. June 17th all the way to about the 21st. It was a beautiful, big, nice move. Very quickly happened. So pay attention to that, as you can see here. What was that? June to July, right? Yeah, July, excuse me. So this happened in just a month. Now, what's going to happen here in the month is the merge for Ethereum. So pay attention to what's happening with Bitcoin too. As we're looking at right here, if we stay above that 23,000, we could bounce off to 23, we'll be okay. But if we stay above the 23 and bounce off it, we'll be fine. If not, once we start breaking through there on this chart, once we start breaking through this pattern here, we're going to be in deep doo-doo. And you're going to find yourself retesting the 20,000. If we do not do that, this is the daily chart. If you see, we're getting a little bit of a retracement currently right here, as we've done before in the Fibonacci levels. If we can establish some support here coming through and bounce off this, we shall be okay, but I'd rather break right here. And this is what I was going to say. 24,000. Let's see if we can finish this daily candle above. How much time do we have left? We have 5 hours and 13 minutes. So that'd be something for you to do, homework for yourself. Do we find out if this daily candle, and I'm going to be paying attention, this will be 8 o'clock Eastern time. So if you're in the Eastern Coast or not, it doesn't really matter. Just pay attention to when it'll happen. It'll be 5 hours and about 15 minutes to be precise. We'll see something, whether it's going to be green. I'm really hoping so. We'll see. But like I said, pay attention to the levels. It's very important because your indicators and everything does come through. Relative strength index very high on the part here. I wouldn't mind a fall to the 23 and get a nice bounce. Then that would look fantastic. So there are things that say that this is coming. It does show that we are getting some resistance. I did say on the Ethereum I sold, which is correlating to that. Pay attention to that price as well. As you see here, we already have it for you. Had a couple indicators, had a couple levels already for you here. And I forget which one. Was it this one? Oh, yeah, it was this one. So for the Ethereum, same kind of thing, just to give you a quick update, and we're going to go over that news. I said could be the 1833, 1836, roughly. That's what I've had circled, so it's not a surprise that we're actually coming on the daily to this price. So don't be surprised if this is an opportunity. I would be dollar cost averaging into these levels. The final last level is 1790 on this chart. Doesn't seem to be rather up to date. Let's see here. It is 4 hourly. Now it makes sense. So pay attention to this chart here, head and shoulders pattern. As I said, shoulder being created on the right-hand side. This is a very short-term time frame bounce. Huge. 1836, we're going to go over it real quick. 1836 is a 50% pullback. The bottom, which I'd be very concerned, 1790. So if you do see us falling below the 1790, there may be a heads up that, hey, 1648 is coming. We're going to get this huge drastic head and shoulders pattern, inverted head to the bottom, probably all the way down to about here, and then we're going to be back up to the races. So like I said, we've done this. We talked about this last night. If you watch the video, do higher lows every time we do it, which is not a problem, but I don't know if we're going to drastically fall that low. So like I said, pay attention to the 1836. That's my most important. But getting right into it, it's very important. Why Coinbase will pause Ethereum transactions during the merge. The merge is September next month. Pretty much exactly a month of this time frame. So it's really important to understand in around a month, this is the article starts to say, Ethereum will transition from proof of work to proof of stake consensus. This event was dubbed the merge. So tentatively set for September 15th to the 16th, we will complete a 6-year journey into the new consensus algorithm and blockchain. So pay attention as this is going on. It'll be very important. The exchange will briefly pause transactions in Ethereum with tokens using the ERC20 standards. These includes deposits and withdrawals. That platform claims that is. This decision is a precautionary measure for the users. The crypto exchange platform made the following recommendations to the users as the merge becomes a certainty across the Ethereum ecosystem, but confusion arise in the community. So if you understand, read the rest of this article. It is pretty interesting. We're not going to sit here and bore you with the entire article. Apparently they are scared that some massive craziness is going by the rumor, sell the news, and that's exactly what I think is going to happen. So like I said, hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the bell notification right here. You come on to Wall Street Pete, please, if you don't mind. We are 1 subscriber away from 1.3. Who's going to be the 1.3 all-time high subscriber? I don't know. But it'd be exciting to find out who it is. We got the Battle Xfinity coming out. That's going to raise the price, and I do believe Ethereum, before we know it, will be fighting 2,400 all the way to 3,000. And yes, I said that. So pay attention to these prices, as I tell you right now. If we do get this parabolic move, which I'm expecting, little ticker bounce, little fall before we get this big bounce, manipulation, scare people out of the market that don't belong. You're going to see what happens here. So this is what I see ultimately happening. This is Ethereum, and if you pay attention, definitely I mentioned that's a pretty scary wave. So if you watch what's happening, it is always that kind of a way in this market, up and down, scare you up and down, and boom. So if that makes any sense to you, you are happy to be a wolf here. Best TA on the tube. I love you. Thank you so much for the beautiful comments. I love and appreciate the comments. It's very important. I've noticed since this channel has been rising, a lot of people have been very good choice with their words. A lot of people have been sharing. One person said, hey, Ojama, would you like to talk about that? I would love to talk about that, but we got so many tokens to talk about, so I'm pretty excited that you guys are all souped. Pay attention to what's going on here. There are 2 big levels to pay attention to, and I know it sounds scary, but I got 3 of them for you. Wipe the 1875 off the screen. One day it'll be support and we'll be okay. Resistance perhaps. But if you pay attention to this chart in the long run as we're getting ready to go and make this a quick video, I don't want it to be any longer than 10 minutes. So I got 10 seconds left. 1790 come down, and then if you see here, the 1648 Could be a nice bounce. I don't want to go there. Could be a liquidity grab too there. It's going to scare everybody out. Gotta run. Have a great day, Pete. Catch you later. Thank you so much for being a part of the crypto channel. I do thank you much. This is not just a live channel. You can watch a previous video. Catch this and watch this immediately. Very important update. I am here for you. Coinbase is going to stop Ethereum. It's going to pause withdrawals and buys. It's going to be very important. I think this is a very bullish sign. I think it'll help us avoid the 1648 and get us right to 1790 and a big bounce. So dollar cost average, that is how you do it. Dollar cost average, that is how you do it. These are your levels coming up. You have two of them right now. Very, very important levels. We're watching the 1836 and we're watching the 1790. Pay attention. It could be the head and shoulders pattern being created. That's the range. So I'm Wall Street Pete, Sicto in crypto. Gentlemen, I used to work on the New York Mercantile Exchange with all these crazy screaming people. I miss this place so much. This is when I was a young buck working in New York on Wall Street. The commodities, futures trading. Talk about futures trading. Oh man, what a place. Hope you have a wonderful day. It's only Tuesday, so tomorrow's hump day. We'll have another wonderful video in the morning, and perhaps maybe we do another video at 8 o'clock Eastern time. Let's see what type of daily candle we get. I am going to say I hope we get a green candle. I'm pretty much willing to tell you, pay attention to the daily candle. It's going to be a green one, I have a feeling. Don't know if we'll finish it off green, but I have a big, strong feeling this is going to be the right shoulder of the Ethereum I talked about. If you want to go back and see what I mean, we're going to get a green candle coming up, and then it probably will just go down after that dead cat bounce. But ultimately, we are bullish, so don't really get upset. The ultimate goal is the up. Long term, so pay attention. Definitely to mention, I'm a big believer in the bottom. I think we hit it already, so pretty happy. And once again, thank you so much. We had Snoochie Booch, a second donation. Thank you so much. And of course, he just left, and I remembered to say so. Thank you, Blake, once again for your monthly donation of the month of August as he proceeds to give us his donations. What we do with our money, we actually put it back into a crypto token, and we're going to watch this thing grow. And one day on the channel, maybe we have 10,000 subscribers. We're going to give away. We're actually going to give away some of it. I'm going to send it to your address. There's going to be a winner out of a hat. But I'm talking about like thousands of subscribers. We're not just going to have one. So this is a channel that wants to one day give back to their followers. It's not just about hit the like and subscribe and get excited, right? We're going to actually do some things on here, but we just have to grow. So let's see who gets to become our 1.3K subscriber. I'd be really excited. I'm going to look it up and see what happened and who joined last. I'm going to shout it out. And maybe we give away a Wall Street P t-shirt or something. I don't know. Just really excited, really grateful, really humbled. Thank you so much for all the love, all the comments. Tonight, if we go live, we're going to do TA on your token. If not, tomorrow, 8 o'clock Eastern, we're going to do the next video. So whatever the next video is, put in the comment section here. This is now becoming a 13-minute video. What token would you like Wall Street Pete to break down? None of it's financial advice, of course. Just a gentleman twice as nice who likes to wear the visor, not a financial advisor. But I'm going to break down a token, one of your favorite assets, perhaps two. So leave it in the comment section at the end of this video. Even though it's a recording, I will be watching the comments. I'll be paying attention. Whoever comes up with the most of the same, the most popular demand, I'm going to go over that token tonight, whether it's going up or down. We're going to talk about it. And if we don't do it tonight, like I said, then the next video will be 8 a.m. this morning. So the very next video after that winner is, we will do the video and TA on it. You have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful night. Wall Street Pete, Sicto in crypto. And if you want to learn how to make Sicto in crypto, well, you already know, baby. Have a great day.